to do a deal. He says that was particularly nice because the two countries have been in conflict for a long time.
I don't know if it was fighting, I don't know that, but
bloody food. Perfect timing, your coffee just turned up.
Hey, hello mother.
G'day,
G'day.
Here's your eggs up here if you come up here, sir. With your plate.
Perfect timing, Uncle Andrew.
Hey.
Oh, fuck. Bitch. Who invited you again?
Hey, that's too much salt on there.
Well, not anymore. It's all on your finger.
All on my finger. Oh yeah, look, eh?
Beauty.
Look at this.
Breakfast of champions.
Does mum have an egg?
No.
What time did you get out of the loony bin last night, Andrew?
Oh, it actually wasn't too bad. I was quite surprised. I was back home in Pookie by 6. And that was leaving Newmarket at 5.
Ooh.
Oh, you're in Newmarket? I had to pick the ute up. I had a bloody had a clutch transplant. Oh, fluid drive transplant. That's a rocket now.
Bloody Holdens, eh?
Bloody Holdens, just holding together over one Bathurst day.
Yeah, might have won.
One Bathurst day.
1.3 seconds.
But yeah,
A win's a win.
yeah, but it's in the garage getting the gearbox done.
No?
I think Shane parked that car, hopped on the plane and come straight
Pass
out.
me that here.
Clean it up a little.
No, I just have a fish finger. Yeah, you have that last one, eh?
Alright, I might have.
Yeah, just see, I poke my finger in your body.
Was it the
Is the heavy lifting done yet? Almost there. Remember, I'm up and management, eh? Yeah.
Upper, alright.
I don't want to be on camera because I have to suck my guts in. Right?
Yeah, it's just
Oh, and tell me every time.
too
Hold
much.
on, my guts is up.
Okay, you're looking good, Andrew.
Looking good?
Your chest is
Quick, put a
expanded.
hat on so they can't.
See your bald spot.
The bald spot won't show.
And I'll bend down in front of the camera.
Yeah, give us a lift with this.
Oh, what am I doing with this?
Uncle Mel.
What am I doing?
We're going to put it on the truck.
Oh, I want to move the battery.
It's all good.
Got it all? I don't know. That's pretty cool. Is that going too? Who put that way? Which way does that go?
Put it upside down. Upside down.
Yeah, but you've got to come down this end, don't you?
No.
The pointy
point up
the
front.
pointy bit out this way.
I normally do it that way, but these guys said I have to do it this way.
Which way?
Oh, I'm sure out of all of us, we'll figure it out eventually.
He's just fucked up the whole plan, eh? Have we got everything?
No.
What else do you need? This boat's got some water in it, eh?
It didn't actually move too much. I didn't think we were taking timber in, but looks like we are.
Makes sense.
Well,
There's water in there.
yeah, well, that's the thing.
A lot of most of the stuff I've got here is going to drop off at the other one, the other pond, for the next project.
Yeah, but where's the plan for that project?
You're looking at it. Yeah. Don't need to load this in, eh?
Yeah, make sure it's accessible.
It is Oh, right. I didn't tell any that I wouldn't be back until Monday night. I hope the boats are big enough for all this shit, eh?
You got that, Uncle Rex?
Yep.
Oh, I gotta man the teapot. Good shit. Oh, what's up?
You're right.
And it wasn't funny.
No, it wasn't funny.
What's wrong?
All I'm glad is it wasn't me.
Yeah, you know how when they say it's your funny bone? It wasn't fucking funny, mate. It's a crowbar, the Uncle Rex.
Yep, crowbar, like that.
As long as that's not rusty inside, we're all good, Wayne.
Good to me, I have a look at it.
It should be still in there. Because I used to just put it on the fireplace and put hot water on the fireplace. Boil it out, rinse it out a couple of times.
Right, so that's everything, eh?
Fuck this shit.
I got that on film. The boat's put on weight. Andrew, you're on film.
That's been a hard day.
Yeah, we're heading out now after a hard day's work. Yep.
Well, they're floating not too.
Volume say up for selling. And no bloody customer service or anything like that.
Well, they got nobody there, mate. They're all university students.
Well, I was just thrown off then.
Yeah, I know. Get it up to a plane.
I want to see Mel off the back barefooting. There's an idea, eh?
We've come up with some pretty harebrained ideas in this place.
You want a tsunami?
Here we go. Oh, Jesus. Hey, like a gazelle. Like.
Reckon I was like you're 20.
Right?
Yeah, we're out.
Woo!
On terra firma. Yeah, but no one's got a cord to that, are you?
Yeah, no, that one's not attached.
It won't float that far. Sure these boards are strong enough? Pretty dodgy. Camera up there, right? Yeah, mine lines and bridges and stuff.
Log coming, Rex.
It's in the nose.
Oh no, ramming speed!
Is that exciting?
Did that give you a thrill, Mel?
Takes a lot to give me a thrill.
Oh,
I'm glad you didn't wrap that around my fucking tail. You know, duck shooting weekend, you're going to have to bring in about 3 batteries. Well, lucky we've got the generator, eh?
great to hear the frogs. Get the boat in there and spray all that, eh?
That far side?
Yep.
Right with that, right in front of the...
Right along there where we couldn't reach it. They've done a good job in here.
Yeah, well see, this has all been covered with water now.
Mm.
And what we've got to do, what we've got to keep at it, before it gets a hold again. And now that you've got the gear on that, even on the bigger boat, with a couple of people, it's not a mission, eh? No. Well, Wayne and I, Wayne was paddling and I was squirting.
In the little boat, yeah.
The little boat, what, it wouldn't have taken us more, what? Than
Oh, it was easy, yeah. Half an hour, 20 minutes.
half an hour to burn through 25 litres and...
I'm glad we took that limb off it.
Yeah. Well, you did. Put the wood, put the wood. No. You want to put the wood on? I'll just put it on the path. Point when you set it up. Oh, the screw. Oh, come out, man. Oh, not too Do we want to be pulling it apart as we go? Now it's I don't know. How are we going to do this? Hang on, slide it. Which side are we doing? Go. Hang on. Where are we going to dump these? Well, if you can slide it here, then we can slide it. Alright. Oh, that one's the wrong size. No, Wayne. 3/8. That one's a bigger one, yeah.
No, I've got more.
Grab one case, there's one with a bigger one on there.
Come here.
You want a bigger one? Hold on, let him do that. Eh?
Yeah, well, there's 25 metres on that.
Hold on.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, I can put it all in the bag.
New roof.
What's that?
Grey, and you got to truck it all the way down?
Yeah, but actually, if you listen, well, Leighton's podcast, they're the guy that was part of that working group.
Yep.
And he said it really should be, and you rail it directly into Wirrie.
Yeah,
And
that's
then
what
you
I
have an inland port at Wirrie, and your trucks come in and out of there. You don't drive. It's all a train straight on. I was thinking maybe I should have got 2 boxes of line.
I'll buy another box of line.
I don't think we've ever had line red in here, have we?
No.
I don't.
We don't.
Yeah, no, it's bloody crap, later.
Well, I thought that was going to take a lot longer to do that roof, gentlemen.
Fuck, eh?
Going in, eh?
Actually,
Ready for a big day of work.
Yep.
Actually, yesterday I think it actually was raining.
Yeah, it was. We had some showers in Auckland, but by the afternoon it was clear.
Yeah, but it looked like a big thunderstorm over here.
It's hard to put on that way though, Rex. Don't you find?
Yeah, I know it is. I prefer it, but I watched it.
They just don't listen to
It
themselves.
does actually